Welcome everyone, this is Manoj Matthew. In this video I'm going to show you how to install a ceiling fan. Currently in my room I'm having a globe light fittings, what you're seeing on the video here. What I bought is a ceiling fan with lights embedded in that. So this is a ceiling, so I've removed the globe light fittings. I've just put the wires apart. The main switch are off, so it's safe for you to touch. The next step was to install the mounting bracket onto a solid timber frame. So this has to be carefully done because this should at least hold a force of 35 kilograms. And normally the fan comes with the installation guide where it shows the wiring diagrams. So as you can see here, there are two diagrams. One where you have the fan control over the wall mount, which is along with the switch, and this one is where the fan speed is controlled by a remote control. The next step is to take the switch controller on the wall and rewire as per the instruction given on the ceiling fan. Make sure you just run a small screwdriver or a knife along the side so that you take off any paints which is just gluing the switch, the cover onto the wall, and just apply a little force. That's it. Let's get inside the switch controller. After taking up the switch controller, this is what you see inside with two wires. Let's remove the wiring and connect our switch controller as per the guidelines. Put back the wiring. I replaced my previous ceiling fan model with another one having a remote. So on second thoughts I thought let me install something with a remote, so I have more control on that. So this is a mounting bracket installed for that model, so this doesn't require further wiring on the switchboard as well, which is another advantage. So this is the new model which I bought with the remote sensor. You can see there is a remote receiver. The wirings are slightly different, and I've got all those things installed with the rods and everything. Now this is ready to be mounted onto the bracket. As you can see here, now we have mounted the fan unit into the bracket unit now, and most of the wirings, it is straightforward. They have indicators where to plug in. Now the only wiring left is we need to put the main supply into the fan unit. The wiring have been fitted. The covering unit is now fit onto the mounting bracket. You can see there's a gap here because of the wirings, but that's from the old lighting unit. Now as per the installation guide, I've removed the LED unit from the main unit, and that's how you insert the leaf there and then screw to that. Okay, we'll do that for the remaining four. The final assembly is all done. I've put back the light fittings as well. Let's check the connections now. It's working perfectly fine. I need to do some patching on the ceiling wall to clear up that area where we had the lights before.